Hello and welcome to Car and Bike. My name is Samir Contractor and this is the new Bounce Infinity E1 electric scooter. It's a brand new electric scooter in the segment and well, it's from a new manufacturer called Bounce. If you haven't heard of them, that's because they were largely popular in the last mile connectivity business in Bangalore and they've now moved into the electric mobility business. They acquired this company called 22 Motors that we saw way back in 2018 at the Auto Expo. Now this is the 22 Flow but in a completely new avatar as the Bounce Infinity E1 electric scooter. Let's tell you what this is all about. Now powering the Infinity E1 electric scooter is a BLDC motor. It's a 2.1 kilowatt motor that makes about 83 Newton meters of peak torque and gives you a range of about 85 kilometers on a single charge. Now this takes about 4 to 5 hours using a standard system. It does not get fast charging and well, that actually makes it a more competitively priced scooter in the market. There are 3 modes on offer. You have the drag mode, which can be used in case this punctures or you have low capacity battery. It will still drag it out and you don't have to actually push it. You also get an eco mode and a power mode, which are of course self-explanatory, and the top speed is 65 kilometers per hour. Now the Bounce Infinity E1 electric scooter will compete in the mass market space with the likes of what Okinawa and Ola provide, and even to an extent the Ather 450 Plus. Now in terms of design, it's of course a very conventional looking scooter. It's not deviated too much from the 22 Flow, but you do see a couple of improvements in terms of how the location is, in terms of switchgear and in terms of design, but very subtle in that sense. Overall, it's very similar to the 22 Flow. And it's a likable scooter in person as well. Of course, these are pre-production models and when the production version comes, we do expect to see better build quality in them. Right now, we do see panel gaps here and there and just a few plastic problems, but Bounce does tell us that when the production series happens, all of these will be taken care of. Now let's talk pricing. The Bounce Infinity E1 electric scooter is priced at 68,999 rupees and that's for the battery equipped version. The battery comes as standard. If you're going for the battery rental version or battery as the service option, that is priced at 45,100 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi and with the FAME 2 subsidy. The prices of course change depending on where you live based on the state subsidy as well. Now do remember that the battery as a service option means that you only get the motor and the body shell and of course the IoT updated. But the battery itself is not part of the equation. You need to rent out the battery and that will cost 65 rupees per swap. So you go to a swapping station and you rent out the battery for a full charge. When you're done with it, you go back, you swap for another battery and pay 65 rupees again. Now you also have the option to subscribe to the scooter as a leasing program where it costs 849 rupees per month. And then the battery cost will go down to 35 rupees per swap. And that's really interesting because theoretically, you can swap your battery everywhere and you don't run out of charge at all. But that of course we need to see how it runs and how it rides, and that's something we can only answer later. So do check out for the review later sometime.